I am not a registered investment, legal, tax, broker, or dealer. All opinions expressed by me are mine, my own, and how I trade, and my thoughts and my ideas. You need to consult your own professional, you need to do your own due diligence, and you invest your money wisely. Investing has risk. You will see. Do your own research, do your own due diligence. Don't hold me liable. I'm just expressing my own ideas. Do your own due diligence. Good morning. This is my March 24th, 2021 watch list. I'm watching ACRX. If we see it get above 180 with real volume, it's been as high as 294. Here's our pivot points with possible shorts. So if that helps us get through the gap here, that'll take us up through. BNSO. This is an interesting one. It's been high as 10.4. It's currently 590. The big thing here is, there's no selling. So somebody has come. You can see the only volume here. Somebody has come and supported this level, the 580 level. So we can see it get above, 6 and hold. We can start a trend reverse. CLVS. This one is interesting from the point of just a short. Right. So we can see really not much happened, but the shorts really jumped on this the other day. So if we were to get back above, the 740 level, right? So I want to look for 740 before I enter. We can see one short cover into the next, and it's been as high as 11. DLNG, same exact scenario. I want to see it get above 3. We go 3 to 337 in a heartbeat. So that's, what I'm watching that for. DUOT, it's currently at 8.2. Nice hammer on the daily, MAC hold, lots of volume, lots of support in here. So, looking forward to get above 8.12 and hold, and we'll see where she goes. She's been on a pretty good uptrend since low 4s. So, we'll see where she rides. GECC, same thing. Played this before. We start to get above 335, and you can see the shorts. So we'll see. NEOS, same deal, right? So it had some news, sold off, right? Gave everybody here a chance to get out. But now we have new buyers come back in and build the support level here, right? So we really want to see if 107 holds. It's been, well, obviously it's 168 yesterday, but anything above 1.2 today, and we can have a new uptrend. NOVN, right? Highs 258, so it's 164. We get above 160 with like real support. Reverse. PXLW, right? Same thing here. We get above 360, and with real volume we're holding. And we can come all the way back through. And SUMR. Alright, so if we get above the 257 and we stay strong within 257 and 20, 222, 2281, it's 10%. But if you start looking at the week, right, it's been as high as 24. And once you get above that $22, 2280 mark, 2297, 235, 2356, and then 24, right? If this support continues, we're going into the highs, right? So today could be the pivot point where it hits the 22, then the 24, and it keeps going. All right, well that's it. Stay safe, have fun.